Coming up, you will see how I target trained my newest student, a 3-month-old baby Amazon parrot, in just 10 minutes. You can target train your lovebird just as readily. I had just given him a treat to gauge his interest in training. Already he seems to understand where the treats are coming from, and he's following me. I present the target stick for the first time. He does well the next few times, but when I ask him to move away from me, he is confused by the target stick and my treat-bearing hand. Do you hear him vocalizing? I'm told that's the sound he makes when he wants food. I move to the other side and succeed. Hariyum is the sound the owner has chosen to signal a job well done. Now he is avoiding touching the stick and is repeatedly making the sound that usually works to get treats. He then makes his way over to his food bowl to see if sunflower seeds have appeared in it. This is when I remind him I have a treat and regain his interest, but still he doesn't touch the stick, so I remind him again. Oh, he looked interested that time. Maybe he will. He's climbing. Hurry him. Next he plays another game of avoidance until he accidentally bumps the target stick. Hurry him. After a short water break and a little more hit and miss, he's back for more stick bumping. Hurry him. After more practice, I see if he's willing to travel greater distances. I would consider him target trained now. However, he's still testing to see if he can get a treat just by being there. But I insist he touch the stick. He was ready for more. I went on to teach the spin. Check back next week to see how I did it. I also got his owner to work with him. Make sure you say Harry as soon as he touches it. That's good. If you haven't yet, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.